Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. This one figures, Tigger, that's right. We've got this Tigger, and I think he's the one that does the stuff like this, where he rolls around and tumbles and tosses and all that good stuff. I don't have any time for that, so he's doing the little dance there like that. Look at that, he can do all that stuff, I think. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'll see if I can turn the switch on. Is that it? No. No. I don't know where it is. Hang on a second. Let's see if we can figure out how to turn this little guy to the on position. Is it on there? No. Okay. I don't know what the deal is on this guy, but we're going to try and take him apart. Now, the trick on this one is, how do you take them apart? Well, I don't know. That's a good question. Because there's arms on the top. Oh wait, there we go. Does that do it? Get him started there. Like that. I think it's how he works. Come on. So how do you get this guy open? I don't know. See, I think you have to disassemble all these arms, and that's just going to have to... Let's see if we can do this. Let me get my glasses on. Okay. There we go. And let's get the screwdriver here. And we're going to take one of the arms off, or at least unscrew the big screw in one of the arm areas. Okay, does that remove the arm? It does not. It removed a screw. Let's do another screw, because this actually might be kind of fun to see what it takes to get this guy apart. Alright, so there we go. There's screw number 2. Come on. No. There's another screw. Oh, maybe that's the screw there. There's several screws up here. Hold on a second. There's like 3 screws on each shoulder, it looks like. This might be the way to do it. I'm going to take this screw out there. And I'm going to take this screw out there. Okay. So this might take the shoulders off. And we'll see how that does it. Alright, let's see here. Come on. Oh! That's it. One arm's down. Okay. So I figured out how to do it. We've got 3 screws on each arm. And we're going to remove all those. And then hopefully it'll be the same with the legs, because we don't want to have to break this thing again. And there we go. But we want to get the body out so we can use the actual character as a puppet. Alright. There we go. Okay, so those 2 screws are done. And out comes the arms. We've got 2 arms loose. Now, let's see if the legs do the same thing. Let's see here. Hold on. I'm trying to find if there's an... Well, it looks like it just might be this one here. Hold on. It's going to be easy. This one I can tell it's going to be easy. We're going to have an easy one. Easier than most. Okay. Is that coming off? No. But I'll take the other one off just in case, because I might not be doing it right. Okay. Disassemble. Alright, so there we go. No. Okay, so that's not working. Are there any more screws down here that I can find? No. Maybe I can take the head off. Is that... No. Wow. Okay, let's see here. Let's do... There's something on the back. I think that's the battery compartment. Let's take that apart. Let's take that off. Maybe that'll be helpful. Okay. And I'm guessing they're D batteries or what have you, so I didn't even attempt to try and make this one work. Let's see here. See if that does anything. No. Alright. Mattel Incorporated is all I see there. Okay, so let's see here. Oh! There's a zip tie, and I found my diagonal cutters, by the way. Makes a short work of this. Okay. So that's the bouncy head. That doesn't do anything there. I got that arm out again. Let's see here. Let's see if the legs. Let's peek in here. Peek inside. I don't know what's going on in there. I hate to do this, but we're going to wishbone it. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Oh, there's the battery part. Okay, maybe this will help. You know, if I just look at the bottom of the feet, that would probably work. It says I spent $4 on this guy. I hate to believe I'd spent $4 on him, but it is Tigger after all. And they're bouncy. Isn't that how it works, guys? So there we go. Let's get all 3 of the screws off the feet and see what happens. Here we go. All right. Okay. Come on. Wait a sec. Is that done? Did I get it? Okay. Okay. Hold on. Oh, man. I'll take the battery compartment off. Hold on a second on that. Let's see if there's one inside. There might be. Didn't think this would be a marathon episode, did you? Alright. Okay, so there's some sort of a... Oh yeah, there is one. There's 2, actually. Let's just take this off there. And maybe this will get the other part of the leg that we're trying to get. Alright. There's 1. Ooh. And number 2. This is going to do it. I know it. Oh yeah, I can feel the foot moving as I turn the screw. It's going to just pop right off, just like that. Okay. So there we go. Now, again, diagonals. Here we go. I'm going to cut right through that material and just cut that out. There we go. And no, I didn't watch that show. Well, I watched a little bit of it, but not... I'm not going to do the hand motions of cut that out. You know what I'm talking about. Come on. Wow, that's a strong zip tie. Okay, did I get it? Really? There we go. The fabric was in the way. And there, whoops. Hang on. There's a zip tie. Off comes that foot. Okay. So then I think, well, we still, oh, that might work. Okay. So we're going to do this side here. Again, there's the $3.99 label there. I hope I didn't spend that much on it, but it's the way it goes. It's a done deal. Okay. Now, we got it. We got it. Okay. There's a lot of stuff going on here. The batteries are rotten. It would have been a problem either way. I've had terrible luck with taking these and getting them working again after the batteries have corroded inside. It's terrible to leave your batteries in because they will rot away the connections that I've found. So you end up spending half your time with a little emery board or what have you on there, and that's not fun. Okay, that one's loose. Now, it just might be, I might have taken those other screws off just for extra work. Okay, let's get in there and get, there we go. All right. Okay. We're almost done. I can tell. I can tell. There it is. Okay. Come on. Maybe I get my pliers. This is going to be a marathon episode. You know, those of you who hang out the longest, I think we have fun together. I think. And maybe we should do some sort of contest to see who can watch it all the way through, and maybe I'll give away prizes or something. What do you think? Comment. If you comment about prizes, then I know you're watching the whole video. Okay, there's the other foot. All right, so now, here we go. Am I going to be able to get it out that side? Oh, please. Oh, one leg. Oh, yeah. There we go. Here we go. This is going to work. It's going to work. It's got to work. Fold this one over the other side. Oh, come on. I mean, I got one leg through. That's good. That's good. It's getting the, it's getting this other leg through. Maybe I have to fold it back this way. Is it working, or is it just popping back the same way? How does this attach? Can I just attach? Oh, okay, so here's what I need to do. I need to undo this one here. There's a little hinge, like a hinge screw. And I think if I can get this one out and maybe spin it around, oh, that would work just awesome. Okay, so let's get that out of there. And come on, are you serious? Come on now. This is getting to be like a Dismantle It episode. For those of you who've been with me for a while, you know that Dismantle It was I enjoyed Dismantle It, but nobody really watches them. It was me taking apart different things. I think I started with a TV or a cable box or something like that. It was lots of fun because we'd get to see inside all these different things. I took apart an entire TV set one time. I thought that was a good one. But again, nobody watched. So if nobody watches, then why do I bother, right? That's how I figure it. If, you know, I could sit here all day doing this, but if nobody's watching, does it actually happen? That's pretty deep thought there. Okay, hold on. Another one over here. You know, if a tree falls in the woods and nobody's around, does it make a sound? It makes you think. Makes you think. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so did that do it? All right, wait. You did it. Okay, so that's off of there. Let's see here what else I can get into. Oh, this might do it. Just that little bit might be enough. That little bit might be enough. Hold on. We're almost there. We're gonna do it. It's gonna work. Gonna make it. Gonna make it. Gonna make it. What's that from? Quick. Gotta fly in here, by the way. That was Steve Martin in what? Not Pink Panther. Three Amigos. In fact, just the other day, somebody posted a really cool picture of Steve Martin, Chevy Chase, and Martin Short in full like suits and like business suits, not in the Three Amigos outfits, but they are posing together in that classic stance. I hope they make another one. Oh, please make another one. Well, we got the body out. Look at that. Okay. There's a lot of work that goes into these toys. Okay, so now I'm going to see if I can pop this off. So maybe I need to get that zip tie. Did I get the zip tie? I did get the zip tie out of there. It's just basically snugged over the head of this toy. Oh my goodness. Come on. Is this going to be my marathon one? I don't want to rip his head, but yet this thing is jammed on the body. I mean, the head. Ah, for Pete's sake. It wants to come off. I think. I don't know what to tell you. Is it sewn on, I wonder? I mean, it's on there pretty tight. Maybe they did sew it on. Again, I don't really want to damage the head of this little guy, because that's frankly what I'm going for. The body is kind of an afterthought. It's the face. It's all about the face. And like trying to remove a really tight sock. I mean, really now. Come on. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to get my seam ripper, because I think what they did was, I think that they put this on, yep, and then sewed the head on this thing. Because that I popped 2 stitches and it just loosened right up, just like that. It's in the back, so it's not a big deal. Now, I don't know what this is, but I'm just pulling it. Okay, so that's the gimmick right there. There's all sorts of motor type thing and this and that. It almost looks like a little face right here with little ears and this and that. We'll put him there. But here he is. Well, it's sealed up in there, so I really can't get in there. But there he is. A really odd Tigger puppet. I did it! Yay! All right, yay for me. So there he is. Okay. That's not it. That's more Scooby-Doo. What is it? I'm Tigger. Hey, Winnie the Pooh. Now, I'm not Winnie the Pooh. Who are you? I'm the DIY magician. That's okay. I think we're going to stop this. But there he is. We did it. For those of you who've been with us before, thank you very much for coming back and weathering through the marathon. For those of you who are new, thank you for coming. And please subscribe for more updates. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time. Bye-bye. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.